I mean, we got it set to 70 right now. It's not doing nothing.
Huh.
Yeah, we just got it. I'll say like a year.
You got the system a year ago?
About a year and a half ago. Yeah.
You know who from?
It was from Chad's dad.
Ah, Pure. Okay.
Yeah, Pure.
How many thermostats in the whole house? Just this one?
Three. I'll show you.
Come on out the back.
Yeah, it's really weird. We got like different zones.
I noticed when I came up to the driveway, I saw there's a package unit on that side.
Oh yeah, yep. There's one over there, and then we got two down there. Or just that one big one that they put in. We can walk down here. I'll show you.
Okay. Do you know which one that thermostat works for? This one on that side?
Yeah.
All right.
Put in like a maybe not.
You know, it's crazy. I'm normally on the other side of the river,
Yeah.
looking at everything over here. That is just a beautiful view.
Yeah, it is. And we get free concerts a lot of the time.
Oh yeah, it is right there.
Yep, with the amphitheater right there, so I can't complain, man.
Let's see.
That's from our
Yeah, see,
upstairs.
glad I got the
Yeah.
shoe covers. If I got to go back inside, I got them in my pocket.
And that's the one right there. It's not doing nothing.
Huh.
And I don't know if it's like we had before they went out of business. Like something happened. I want to say like 6 months into it, where they just had to reset something.
Okay.
And I don't know if that's the case or what. I don't know.
So you guys only had to call Pure Air out here one time after they put it in.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, that's a red. I told Marine.
Same thing, really.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Yeah. So I don't know, but need some help with it, man.
No, that's fine. Let me go ahead and grab my bag off my sling here and get to working on it.
All right.
All right, now I don't know how well this GoPro mount is going to work, but we're going to try it out today. See if we can figure out what's wrong with this guy's unit with the thermostat calling for heat inside. Let's just see what we got here. Y'all tell me in the comments if this POV is kind of all right. Let's see. First thing I'm going to try to see to do. Let me see here. Got no flash code on the board, so I'm wondering if we even got power over here. Oh, that border collie is going to get annoying real fast. 3 volts. 119. Check the actual ground right here. 119, 120. But I got nothing across it. Might have to check out that disconnect over there. Dude, I come over here to look at this darn breaker, and oddly enough, it's just melted to crap. Dude, that's crazy. That is crazy. Oh yeah, cool thing about this little mount, I can just pop it up here. Why is the GoPro telling me I'm at 20%? This isn't going to be a whole lot of filming on this thing for today. But let me go see if I can get the guy to confirm with me. Let me see. Surprised this didn't trip a breaker. It might be tripped inside. Who knows? But no, it can't be. What am I saying? That sounds stupid. I got 120 volt on each leg. And going across the top of it, I still got 240. So let me go get the power off, guys. Sir? Oh, where'd he go? Where did he go? Sir? So as I'm sitting here getting annoyed by this collie and a yard behind me, I'm realizing they've got aluminum coming from the house. A unit is sitting on a 60 amp breaker with this aluminum, and you know, we got probably 8 gauge copper, 8 or 6, one of the two. But either way, I mean, the size of the wire shouldn't really matter for this, because it's not a heat pump. I'm not dealing with any electric strip heat. This is just a gas pack. I don't know what could have caused that to burn up like that, aside from, I know when I first moved down south and I really started seeing a whole lot of aluminum wire and disconnects and just ran the units, period. And I'm actually kind of upset I don't have any on my truck right now. I was informed that with all this aluminum wire, you're supposed to have like some type of dielectric grease that you would like put on the tip and then, you know, go into the lug nut holes, lug holes or whatever. But I could see, I really don't know. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know why this burnt up like this. It should have never reached anywhere near 40 amps. Maybe, you know, obviously the compressor has lock rotor amps and things of that nature, but, you know, long overgone exposure or duration of high amperage on the system for this gas pack is just, it just wouldn't do it. So right now, just to get this guy going until we can get him a new disconnect, I just got some blue wire nuts I'm gonna use and put on here, and we're gonna get him on the schedule probably, if not tomorrow, the next day, because we've been going crazy these past couple days on this cold snap, getting like into the 20s at night, and we'll wake up and have like 5-6 calls each added on to us because all these heat pumps and stuff can't catch up, and then houses are running on just strip heat, and they're popping breakers, and breakers are getting worn out. But yeah, let me get this guy going. Walking back to the unit right now. I can already hear the inducer going. Is it already lit? Oh yeah, she's warm. Just hop on over this real quick. Yup. I'd say he's got to come back here and let us maintenance these things a little bit. I don't know the last time my boss's dad's company was out here, but let's just check overall amp draw on the system. Yeah, 2.8 amps, but we're running 6 gauge wire, 8 gauge wire to a freaking condenser. And I don't know if the gas is new. I mean, the piping doesn't look that old. Maybe they just put gas packs here. Maybe a heat pump was here before this. But let's see. Off the inducer motor, we're getting 0.55. You're gonna tell me what you're rated for. 0.56 to 0.65, so we're good there. And where's it? There's normally like a panel right here on some of these units. Maybe this is just a bigger one, but there's normally like a secondary panel right here that shows you the electrical diagram. But they've got it on the back of this one because it's so huge. So I want to find where the blower motor wires go, which are just straight to the contactor. Judging off of this line goes there. So to the bottom side of the contactor where incoming power is, I believe it's that black one. But I could always just take it off the speed tap as well. So oh wait, whoa, did I read that wrong? Oh, is it PSC? No, it's not PSC. So yeah, okay. Yeah, black and a red wire. So should be, I looked at the diagram wrong. This should be one of those black and red wires right there. We'll open this up a little bit. And off the blower, indoor blower motor, we're getting 2.57. Let's see here if I can find anything on this. Indoor blower, FLA 8.9. I'm gonna let this thing run for a little bit. I got my probe, that's his laundry room right there. There's literally a vent right on the other side of this wall. I put it there because I figured that was the closest one to get the closest accurate temp rise without like drilling a hole into the bottom of the heat exchanger area right there. Didn't want to do that. So I've got my probe there, and then I've got it at the return in the house, which is right outside the hallway for the laundry room. Good Lord, Kali, come on now. I'm not even messing with you. But other than that, I didn't even catch the year on this thing. I'm so stupid. It's like a 2019. Way off. 2023. Forgot he did say like 2 years ago. Just leave it running. While I'm letting the unit run, it is crazy. There's nothing but like $1.5 million homes on this side of the river. Of course, on the other side of the road, that's like pretty much anybody living over here has access to it. But I'm on South Carolina side. That's Augusta, Georgia. Can I see where's the purple building? Oh, there's a property management company that we have to work for that has a couple freaking apartment units over there in that pink building, and all the condensers are located on the top. We haven't been there in a while, but I really hope the next time we're supposed to go, I can go. That would be really fun to record. But this is a beautiful view, man. It's beautiful. When I had to turn the breakers off, the breaker panel wasn't specified for that side of the house's gas pack unit, or like Rudd gas pack. All it had was just 2 gas packs on a 260 amp breakers. So I just want to see what this was. The Rudd on the other side of the house is a 4-ton. I wonder if this is a 4 as well, because they're supplying. Not just stare at the wall. There's a slight upstairs area. I think that's a couple bedrooms up there. I think both package units supply maybe a little bit of that, but then they've got this split unit behind me. Yeah, so we got 2 4-ton units for the downstairs. It's like 10-foot ceilings up there. House is pretty wide. You got 115,000 BTU on this one. The other one is 100,000. Output on the Rudd was 81. This one's 94. 30 to 60 temp rise. Dang, so if that's 2 4-tons on a package unit, what's the condenser? Boy, another 4-ton. My God. I bet his dad put this one in too. I don't know who put that one in, but Rudd and Ream. That's what his dad put in a lot, I guess. Just real quick, I want to see what the return side of this evap coil looks like. Jesus Christ, that's ridiculous. Has this never been taken off? My God. Yeah, it's never been taken off. I can hear the little Armaflex insulation is sticking. There we go. See what that coil looks like? Spotless, really. Woo! Look good. Look good. We can put this back. I'll put this back. Just get a feel for the whole house. is getting warmer. I don't know if this is a gas dryer in here, but I'm not catching any levels in here. Let's see, just out of the supply vent. Not reading anything. Check over here. Alright, nothing there. And just to make sure this works, I'm gonna go to the exhaust on the package unit. Now I'm gonna try not to stick this right over the exhaust, like kind of like right here. Picking up anything. There we go. A couple inches off of it. That's how much CO is coming out in parts per million. I'd say we're all good. Well, that's it for this one, guys. Talked to the customer. He agreed he wanted to go ahead and, not just leave it wire nutted. He wants to do a new disconnect. So we got that put on the schedule. Couldn't do it today because me and the boss got to go run and do something else. But I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching all the way through. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will catch you all on the next one. Later.